Dragon ships controlled medieval Europe's most profitable trade routes, connecting Greenland ice with Constantinople's golden markets. Viking navigators read cloud formations, ocean swells, and bird behavior, predicting weather changes days before storms. European kingdoms built coastal watchtowers and beacon systems specifically designed to warn against approaching Viking longship fleets. Modern naval architecture still employs shallow draft principles pioneered by Viking shipwrights over 1,000 years ago. New discoveries continue revealing longship construction secrets, proving Vikings were Europe's most sophisticated medieval maritime civilization. Watch the full video on my YouTube channel. Subscribe for epic historical adventures.